What's the meaning of civil rights? Civil rights. Civil rights.
Civil rights. Civil rights. Civil rights refer to the fundamental rights and freedoms that every citizen is entitled to, regardless of their race, gender, religion, or any other characteristic. These include the right to vote, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, and equal treatment under the law. Protecting civil rights ensures that individuals and groups are not discriminated against or marginalized. The result of promoting and protecting civil rights is a society that is fair, just, and equitable, where everyone has equal opportunities and their human dignity is respected.